The Emerald of the Equator, Indonesia. Land of Thunder Dragon, Bhutan. Land of Milk and Honey, Switzerland. Gift of Nile River, Egypt. Land of Rising Sun, Japan. Rainbow Nation, South Africa. Land of Thousand Lakes, Finland. Land of Blue Sky, Mongolia. Land of Smiles, Thailand. Land of Golden Pagodas, Myanmar. The Lion City, Singapore. The Red Dragon, China. Land of Fire and Ice, Iceland. Land of White Elephants, Thailand. Sugar Bowl of the World, Cuba. The Holy Land, Israel. The Land of Hope and Glory, England. Lands of Tulips, Netherlands. Land of Thousand Hills, Rwanda. Land of Poets, Chile.